ForworN here playing Squirtle and War Hardcore Bolts. I'm gonna slap the hell out of him, and he's gonna like it. Which side do you want? He gave me the good side. He gave me the real good side, actually. And he misses. He misses because he sucks so bad that he can't even get a pre-fire on me. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm not gonna even poke. Oh, of course. As soon as I'm about to nade this kid on bolts only. Yeah. He thinks he's tricky or something, but he's not. Oh, yeah, okay. He did trick me. He has his hat on, guys, so it makes him play better or something. I don't know. He's trying to pop shot me from middle. This kid's a random. What a girl. Look at this little girl, man. This kid is such a girl. Yep, and he's gonna camp. I'm gonna come right here and I'm gonna. Ooh, he's gonna miss. He's gonna miss. Nope, and he gets me. Alright. This kid's a random. He just camps anyway all day, so. He's talking about a drag shot, which he doesn't even know what he's talking about, ladies and gentlemen, so. Back to stage one. Get outie, son. Fail, guys. That's what you call a fail. And that is also a fail. Don't do that. He's gonna try and pop shot me here, but might be able to get him out. I like how none of those hit him, but they were right on him, so I don't know. This game has issues. Learned that from Explosive today. Thank him for that. Yeah, but I don't play dome bolts all day. Through a body. Never mind. Alright, guys. He thinks he's gonna pop shot me here, so let's see what I can do here. Look at this girl. He runs back as fast as he. He spawned way over there. I did not expect that. Let's see here. He's gonna sit here and be a little pussy, so give me 1 second, guys. This kid is getting so lucky, guys. You have no idea. He's gonna fail because he's an idiot, so. No. We're going hard right now. It's only been 6 minutes. He's crying right now, guys. Give him a minute. Looks like I got this one, guys. Teabag the ground, teabag the ground. Hooray, hooray. All day, all day. Okay, that was a bunch of bullshit. Who calls bullshit on that one? Oh, and he gets me in a pop shot. How gay. Alright. I gotta get this kid. He's being a little pansy, so give me 1 moment. Okay, that's bullshit right there. That's bullshit. Get the hell out of my house. Yeah, I don't get that, so, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him right now. Let's go. Huh! Yeah, who won, baby? Who won? ForworN's the best all day. Get off his dick. Let's go.